How to enable notifications in Zelle? First of all, open the app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon or menu option, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and select Settings or Account Settings. Scroll down to find the General section, and under this, find Notifications option and tap on it. This will show you all the available notification types for Zelle. Now toggle on the notifications you want to receive, such as payment alerts, request, or confirmation messages. Make sure that both banners and sounds are enabled if you want real-time alerts. After that, go back to the main screen and check if notifications are active. You can test by sending a small transaction to see if the alerts appear properly. Finally, enabling notifications ensures you never miss any payment or request, keeping your Zelle activities secure and up to date. Now you know how to enable notifications in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.